Hello, listeners, and welcome to another inspiring episode of podcast. Today, I'm truly honored to introduce our guest speaker, Mrs. Christine Raj, who is an independent entrepreneur and the director of Christine Designs and Tailoring. I have known Christine since the days when she began tailoring from home, and she was only working with limited resources that time, and of course, but she had unlimited determination. Watching her grow from those humble beginnings into a recognized designer, tailoring has been nothing short of inspiring. Through her hard work, resilience, and self belief, she has built a name for herself and has earned few local awards for her outstanding designs. Christine's journey is a powerful reminder that with passion, consistency, and courage, women can turn their skills into successful businesses. Her story will resonate deeply with women in the tailoring profession and with those who are dreaming of starting their own venture but may be waiting for the right time. And so today we will honor Christine, and she stands as proof that independence, creativity, and perseverance can open doors and create opportunities, not just for oneself, but as inspiration for many others. Let's hear directly from the remarkable woman. Please join me in welcoming Mrs. Christine Raj. So, like I said, that we will be talking to Miss Christine Raj, and let's welcome Christine. Christine, how are you?
I am good. I feel fabulous to see you here.
That's really good. I mean, after बहुत साल बाद, Christine और हम मिला है, and then of course I thought कि her story needs to be told. So here I am, and let's begin. तो Christine, आप tailoring business जब आप start करा, and like I mentioned, कि you started from very limited resources, घर से start करा. आप हम लोग के ऊला जर्नी से starting से बताओ कि how did, at least first आप कैसे सोचा कि tailoring is something that you want to do?
Actually, I have worked for other employers, but I had situations. Actually, there was no one to look after my son.
Mm-hmm.
So I just thought to do something where I can look after my family and I can earn at the same time. So actually, I knew designing, and for tailoring, I knew less about it. But I tried to motivate myself.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I tried to motivate my own self. I tried to learn how to do things so that I can do tailoring from home. So I tried my level best.
Wow.
Yeah, and I started operating tailoring business from home in 2006.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
20 years, like
Yeah.
2026. Wow, that's very inspiring. So was tailoring something कि आप that was a talent that was naturally coming to you कि
Firstly, I would like to thank God. Yeah, I am blessed with this profession. Actually, I never went to any institute, like any training center or anywhere. It is a blessing from God to me.
And I remember few times when I came to Christine for my own the blouse designing and all that, and let me tell you, she is a perfectionist. I like, you give her a design from Pinterest, Google, or whatever, she'll look at the design and she'll know what to do, how to do. So furthermore, coming into this, when so जैसे जैसे kids बड़ा भेस and then so you decided कि अच्छा right when did you actually decide कि this was the right time कि आप अपन own shop open करेगा?
Well, actually, I just want to tell you something. Actually, I want to share something
Yes.
to everyone. I got inspired from the movie Barsat.
Wow.
It's quite funny.
Yeah.
But one night I was watching this movie Barsat, and I saw Priyanka Chopra when Bobby Deol was not with her. Priyanka Chopra, she was doing her own business of this tailoring thing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And I was inspired through that. Then at that same time, I dreamt. I thought, this is my ambition. Now I will have a shop. I have to do something. So I started tailoring, and I tried to do my best, my level best, so that I can fulfill all my customers' dreams. Whatever they want, I tried to do my best. Though I have to wake up whole night, I was doing it. I took the most orders I can. Yeah. हम सब कुछ करा, रात भर जग के भी काम करा, अपन लड़कन के भी संभारा और घर के काम सब कुछ करा अपन फैमिली. एंड माय फैमिली वाज सपोर्टिव. लाइक वो लोग कभी ऐसे नहीं सोचिस कि ये नहीं टाइम पे या वट एवर टाइम पे नहीं है. दे सपोर्टेड मी, दे हेल्प्ड मी. और हम रात दिन एक करके अपन यहाँ तक पहुँचा. और मोस्टली हमें सपोर्ट करी जेक्स ऑफ फिजी, रूप्स, इवन टपूज, Azar Designs. Abhi, they always send customers to me because they know what my customers want. I will deliver to them.
Yes, and plus, I mean, most of us, we already know the quality of work you produce. You know, that is very amazing. And you know, just a bit into the growing side of the business. You know, आप share करेगा कुछ challenges like you along the way that you faced or are still going through?
I have faced a lot of challenges in life, and still I'm going through some. So like when I started my business, like when I start a shop from Tambara Plaza, then so many people tried to spoil my name. Yeah, they tried to spoil my name, but no one can do that because God was with me and my customers were with me. My customer feedback was really good.
Right. Yeah.
And the challenges was like I have to look after the kids, I have to do this, do that, and I was all alone doing everything.
On a normal day, आपके दिन कैसे रहे? Like from the morning till like a normal business day कैसे रहे आपके?
Normal business day sometimes quiet रहे, sometimes very busy.
Right.
But अच्छा रहे. अच्छा रहे.
Okay. That's good. I mean, every time हम लोग के positive ही सोचे के चाहिए, you know.
COVID ला time तो बहुत bad रहा. But still हम को रकम से अपन आपके रखा ये पर.
Okay. What were the challenges during that COVID la time? Because I know the shop had to be, you know, like closed for that COVID period or. And I remember आपके एक और एक shop आप open हमसे करा रहा. Right. Okay. तो आप थोड़ा बहुत like touch base करो, you know, how you coped.
Nandera shop it was going well, but COVID के time थोड़ा हमें difficulties I faced और I had some staff issues as well.
Okay.
Because वहाँ पर और फिर हमारा workload थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. Because I was the only one who's designing and cutting.
Right.
तो tailors रहा but थोड़ा हमें difficulties हम face करा रहा उस time. And then COVID आया तो फिर we have to close the shop. But then I decided to just close that shop and just be in here.
Focus here.
Because at the same time I just cannot be at two places.
Right. And I believe वैसे भी Suvala side से, you know, you have customers that even may be coming from what now Hua Lemi and all that, you know. So I mean, this is your main hub. So and you are doing really well. I remember, I think 2 years ago, when you were designing something and you were part of the Fiji Fashion Week.
Yes.
Yes, उसके बारे में हम लोग के बताओ.
Actually, हम फर्स्ट फिजी फैशन वीक में पार्ट लिया रहा. आई थिंक इट वाज 2012. I took part in that and I had an award from there, first runner up. And then from there, so many people knew me. But I was still at home. I was doing from home because my baby was really small.
Yes.
फिर हम जब शॉप खोला, अभी 2 years बैक हम फिर से एक फिजी फैशन शो में पार्ट लिया रहा, ज्योति शांडिल.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Jyoti Shandil.
Mm-hmm.
And it went good. It was great experience. From there, I had more customers.
Right,
Yeah.
right. How did you feel, like receiving that award?
I was proud. I took the award. I was very proud at that time.
Yeah.
It was my first award.
Oh, wow. उसके बाद में आप कोई
I had a
competition?
small business award.
Right.
I had a small
Okay.
business award as well from microfinance.
Right. Okay. And so obviously you give your customers the time frame ना कि कैसे उनके orders आपके लगे आए हैं, तो how does that process work, like?
Actually, that process, when we take orders, we prefer customers to give us at least 1 to 2 weeks. Or if any customers they need urgently, we do that as well.
Okay.
Yeah, so many brides, they were dished with other tailors or their online suppliers. We did their bridal at night.
Wow.
In few hours, we have to do it.
Wow.
Yes.
So how many staff आपके हैं यहाँ पे?
At the moment, I have 3 staffs.
Oh, that's wonderful. I mean, imagine like एक time रहा when Christine was doing everything like by herself from home. Now she's got her shop and with 3 staff. I mean, how amazing is that? It's very inspiring. Like,
And one of my staff is from India.
oh, that's wonderful. Yeah. See, I mean, like she doesn't limit, when it comes to employing. So yeah. And do you staff Fiji?
Fiji.
Oh, okay. And so how is there roles divided amongst them कि कौन सी काम करी, जैसे for example एक जन cutting करी, एक जन is sewing or something?
One of my staff was from India. He is a master tailor.
Okay.
So he does cutting and sewing as well.
Right.
And designing is my part of work.
Right.
And the other lady is just a seamstress. She does tailoring. And one more staff, she manages the shop. She takes orders and she tells my tailors what to do.
Okay. And the shop opens what time? Or what time तलक आप लोग? I mean, I know late night आप लोग, depending on the situation, ना?
Yeah.
But normally we say opening and closing hours.
Monday to Friday, it's 9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Right.
Saturday is 9 a.m. to 4:30.
Okay.
And when it's busy period like Diwali, Eid, Christmas, so we open on Sundays as well from 9 a.m. to 2:30 p.m.
Oh, I see. तो आप I mean like knowing कि इतना time जैसे बीत जाए है आपके शॉप में, how do you manage घर के काम and then show
self confidence? Actually ऐसे ही हो गया. हम जब से अपन बिजनेस रन करके स्टार्ट करा है, तो हम जैसे हम सब टाइम सोचा कि अपन विल पावर स्ट्रॉन्ग रहो.
राइट.
कभी नहीं सोचो कि हम नहीं सकता करें. सब कुछ सकता करें. अगर करे मांगता है तो. Like it's a message to everyone, na? We'll do, attitude रखो. We can do it.
Yes, yes, very true.
We'll do, attitude रखो और करो.
I mean, but
sometimes I cook dinner at home at 11. Before I used to cook it at 1 a.m. Yeah.
Oh, but I mean, those the hard work, the challenges is what has made you progress this far, and that is very inspiring. So, like depending, like with the designing part, right? When you say the designing is your part, na? So take us through ki like what do you actually mean by designing? Do you do your concept of your own ki customer kuch bataye and then you design it according to their
I do both.
huh?
Yeah. Sometimes customers bring their own designs,
Mm-hmm.
and I just tell them, okay, yes, it will be done. And I do it.
Huh.
And sometimes I tell customers, when customers don't have any idea, they just say, this is my first time having a blouse and sari, first
Right.
time I'll be wearing this lehenga, and all. Please advise me something.
Right.
And then I give them my designs.
Right,
Yeah.
right. And of course, I mean, you are very good at, in fact, telling people ki कौन डिजाइन अच्छा लगी, you know, like because we have to be mindful कि हम लोग के body type में कौन सी अच्छा लगी, कौन सी fit हुई and things like that, you know. Okay, so that's very interesting.
It depends on their figure and the outfit they bought. Like
And the material?
Right, and the fabric as well. तो हम ऐसे सकता बताए कि अच्छा इला फैब्रिक पे कुछ भी नहीं चली ना, तुम ऐसे करेगा ऐसे अच्छा लगेगा.
Okay. And of course your kids are like grown up, you know, and I'm sure they are like so proud of you know, their mom, you know, who is inspiring so many people out there. And so what's like, if you are comfortable in telling, like what's the next step, like कुछ सोचा है कुछ और बड़ा करे के, or maybe कुछ you know, subsidiary कुछ open करे के?
Actually I'm just waiting for my son to be educated and complete his degree.
Right.
तो जब वो आ जाए तब हमने कुछ सोचा है करेगा.
That's really wonderful, you know.
और हाँ, सोचा तो है बहुत कुछ करे के अभी. खाली वेट करता है my son आ जाए ऑस्ट्रेलिया से तब.
The sky is the limit.
Yeah.
You mentioned about the second hand, like आप कुछ करता है, you know, like
जी हाँ, हम के यहाँ पर टेलरिंग भी है और कुछ सेकंड हैंड क्लोथ्स भी है. रजिस्टर्ड सेकंड हैंड बिजनेस अलग से हमारा ऑस्ट्रेलियन A grade सेकंड हैंड क्लोथिंग.
Right.
ये शॉप में है.
हाँ. Yeah, because when I entered and I saw and I was like, oh, कुछ different भी से, you know, like yeah. Okay.
कुछ varieties है, accessories है.
हाँ. Oh, that's really good. And you know, seeing how you have progressed, like from that time till now, you know, and even like few years हम अभी आया नहीं, but you know, within that few years gap maybe you have progressed so well, and it is truly inspiring, you know. I honestly feel so proud कि you have done so much, you know. And वही चीज है ना कि it's all about planning, it's all about discipline and focus, you know. Is there anything else जो आप in particularly अपन business के बारे में मतलब share करे, you know, please tell our audience.
Actually first में तो हम इतना busy रहता रहा कि I used to do cutting and sewing myself. हम खुद करता रहा. अभी भी हमारे कुछ कस्टमर्स है जो हमें मांगे आवे तो लोग हमें मांगे देखे और हमें बताइए तुम करना प्लीज. बट स्टिल अभी तो इतना अच्छा हो गए से कि हमारे पास रिलायबल टेलर्स है और दे आर डूइंग गुड जॉब. हमारा साहिदा शी मैनेजेस द शॉप वेरी वेल और सुनीता बिलाल है बस ये लोग अच्छा से शॉप देखे है. और अभी तो मैं इतना कटिंग नहीं करता, बस डिजाइन करता, अपन कस्टमर्स के देखता है. और लेडीज लोग के इंस्पायर करे मिलता है कि प्लीज अगर तुमके पास नॉलेज है, एबिलिटी है, शो इट टू द वर्ल्ड. Do your best. Don't think it's impossible. Everything is possible.
I know even from before and even today, you know, जब हम लोग बात करा, you know, and how positive you sound, like despite of the various challenges, you say, na, but you kept moving forward, you know. I think that is the main message, na, कि whatever skills you have, तुम move forward करो, उसके ऐसे लेके बैठा नहीं रहो. Because the thing is, once you do that, then you lose out on a lot, ना. अभी you know, like Christine के case में देख लो, you know, like it was just that spur of the moment when, you know, that movie you saw and it clicked that this is what I'm gonna do. And look at you now, like it's amazing, it's so inspiring. हम नहीं जानते आप कितना ढेर दफे ये चीज बोल दिया है, but it's totally like outstanding when when you come to her shop, and when you talk to Christine and when you give her orders, and she actually advises you, consults with you कि what works, what doesn't work, so आपके shop के location आप share कर लो.
It's shop 15 Tembara Plaza, Nakasi.
Okay. And obviously opening or closing hours Christine बताई दी से. And if there is anything that you want to share with Christine in terms of the ordering and your blouse pieces or your lehengas, even,
bridal lehengas, your bula wear, company orders.
Right.
We take company orders as well.
Right.
Whatever, uniform.
So what I'll do, I will take Christine, and then what we can do is you can directly get in touch with her and give your orders, and I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. You won't be disappointed, because personally I have experienced giving my clothes to Christine for designing, for tailoring, and I even to date, अभी तो काफी दिन हो गए जो हम नई ब्लाउज कराए, but I was never disappointed, like everything was so perfect, so with this we will be wrapping up this episode, but I'm sure we will be having another episode with Christine, maybe sometimes in this year again, and we'll talk more about it and more inspirational stories from Christine. And who knows, Aman, if he comes to Fiji, and he might join in. Aman is Christine's son, and so we'll hear more stories from Aman in terms of his contribution, and how supportive he has been towards Christine. And Ayan is still in school. That's the youngest son. And
it's his second-hand business, Ayan's.
Oh, wow. Now you see, he is still schooling. He is in secondary school.
And in primary.
He's in primary. He's in primary, and that's his side hustle, How amazing is that you are supporting him, and I think that is what starts at home, ना, कि तुम उसके already आप plan set करता है कि this is how to start, how to do business, and how to save,
I'm sorry, actually I wanted to conclude something
Yes.
here. My husband, Abhishek Singh.
Yes.
Actually he is planning, we both are planning to have partnership in business and grow. We are planning to do something more in this business.
Right.
So we are just waiting for that opportunity.
Oh, that will be another story then.
Right.
See? So, so he is around in Fiji, or?
He's in New Zealand.
Oh, okay. So maybe, when he comes to Fiji, and then we will have, that opportunity to even speak with Abhishek, yes. So, yes, with that, thank you, listeners, for tuning in. And like I said, you can get in touch with Christine Raj directly, and you can tell the number as well if you're comfortable with it, or email address. Yes.
It's 9513-774.
Okay, there you go. And of course, if for some reason you want to reach out to me first and I can just connect you to Christine, I'm more than happy to do that. So this is us wrapping up this episode. Thank you so much. Stay tuned, stay focused, stay disciplined, and let's see what future holds for you. And always keep following Let's Talk podcast, and let's connect, let's talk. Thank you.